Hello, everybody. Welcome to this gentle yoga flow during your periods to provide you comfort. Let's get started. Come in all fours. Your arms are firmly on the ground and your toes are tucked on the ground as well. Make sure to breathe through your mouth or through your nose, but just be gentle in your body. We'll start with hip rotations starting clockwise direction. Go in anti-clockwise direction and your glutes will touch the heels of your body. Keep breathing and we'll go with cat and cow. Inhale, look up at the ceiling. Exhale, look at your knees. We'll do this for 4 more breaths. Last round. Keep breathing and we'll go with wide child's pose. We'll widen our knees, put our forehead on the ground and keep breathing through your nose. This pose gives an immense relief to your hamstrings, glutes, legs, and is a beautiful pose to open your hips during your periods. Let's again come in all fours and we'll bring our right hand forward, left leg behind, and we'll try to raise our left leg with our right hand or opposite hand and opposite leg. Fix your gaze to balance this movement. Let's do this on the other side. And do this alternating for 4 counts. Keep breathing. Catch your breath. And now we'll extend our right leg sideways. We are going to inhale in the cat position and exhale, touching your glutes to the heels of your other leg. Do this for 3 more rounds. It provides an amazing stretch to the extended leg sideways and gives a deep stretch in your hamstrings and in your calf muscle. Let's do this on the other side of the leg. Extend the left leg sideways, and we'll do the same. Inhale in the cat position. Look at the ceiling and down, touching your forehead to the ground. Perfect. Now we'll come in Vajra Asana and provide the relaxation to our knees, to our legs. After this stretch, it feels amazing to be in this asana. You can put your hands over your knees and keep breathing for 4 counts. Through your nose, inhale, your belly will rise. Exhale, your belly will contract. The air should reach through the lungs to the stomach, and then the exhalation should be the same. Close your eyes if you prefer to do that. This is the period where you need a lot of relief. And if you are stressed during your periods, you are having pain, these asanas will definitely support you to relieve your pain. Now we'll bring our arms firmly on the ground and come in plank pose, Falak Asana, and be here for 4 breaths. You can squeeze your core and feel the stretch in your core. If you want to skip this pose during your day 1 and day 2, feel free to do that. And then you can again come in widened knee child's pose. Now we'll come in my favorite pose, Malasana. This is a deep squat pose where you can bring your hands in prayer pose. Try to push your knees through your elbows and sit here for 3 to 4 breaths. If you feel you can't sit in this pose, what I would recommend you is take a blanket or a block if you need. Fold this blanket, put it under your butts, and then it gives you a lot of relief to be in Malasana. You can put your hips on the blanket and be here for 4 breaths. A beautiful pose to release stress from your body, to provide stretch in your hamstrings and glutes, and just feel the prana flowing in your body, which actually energizes you and restores your body. If you want to sway side, left and right, go ahead and do so. If you want to be in Malasana, it's completely your preference. We'll put the blanket at the side, widen our legs, and then we can come in goddess pose, where we can bring our hands in chin mudra if you like, prayer pose if you like, and just be here for 4 breaths. We can just sway our body if we have given deep stretch to our knees and to our legs, just to make sure we catch our breath. We can again come in seated position, extend our legs in V shape, and then we can move in Upavishta Kona Asana, where we'll inhale, extend our body through our hips and not rounding our spine, and try to move in front. If you would like to pulse your body, do it. If you would like to keep inhaling and exhaling, please do it. If you want to stack your hands and put your forehead on these, you can do that as well. We can just bring the soles of our feet together and come in Baddha Kona Asana, butterfly pose, to neutralize Upavishta Kona Asana. We need to keep breathing during these asanas to make sure that the prana flow in the whole body and it energizes you. Again, we'll widen our legs in this deep-seated position, and we'll move our body first at the left side and then at the right side in Parivrata Janu Shesh Asana. We'll bring the left hand and touch the sole of your foot, right leg, and extend the right hand over our head and be here for 3 breaths. Let's do this on the other side. Again, bring the soles of your feet together. Keep breathing. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Try to move forward and touch your forehead on the ground. The goal is not to touch the forehead on the ground, but just to make sure that you feel the stretch in your hips, in your glutes, and try to open the hip flexors to release stress, tension from that area. Now let's move to our last segment of supine poses, where we can use the blanket if we want. I'll tell you. Conscious breathing while you are here, and you will feel so good during this period. I guarantee you. You can bring one knee to your chest and keep breathing. Bring another knee to your chest in Pavan Mukta Asana and be here for 3 breaths. We can come in happy baby pose. Sway right to left, left to right. Supine twist on both the sides. First, we can bring our left knee to the right side and look at the left side. We can place a blanket. Such a beautiful restorative pose during this time of the month. Do this on the other side. Supta Baddha Kona Asana, where we can place a blanket on both the sides and be here for as long as you want, because this is the most beautiful relaxing pose during your menstruation. We can roll on the right side, come back again in Sukhasana. Do conscious breathing for 5 breaths. Let's end this class with Shanti Mantra. Asato ma satkamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you everybody for joining today's class. Keep practicing. This session will definitely help you to restore your body during this time of the month, and I hope to see you in my next videos. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Yogic Kamna. Namaste.